Imagine starting a YouTube channel today. No audience, no subscribers, no connections, and within just 30 days, you hit monetization. Sounds fake, right? But that's exactly what happened with my channel, Bald Guy. And in this video, I'm going to break down everything. No gatekeeping. Not just how I did it, but how you can literally copy this system and get monetized fast. You can see my channel. I currently have more than 11,000 subscribers, which are still increasing at very fast pace. It's already past 1 week when I get notification from my YouTube that your channel got half monetized, and I did it within just 10 videos, and you can see the result with your own eyes. And today, in this channel, I'm going to break down full strategy. And if you stay till the end, I'll give you a step-by-step blueprint you can follow to make viral skeleton videos completely free. So let's start. First, you have to open the description of my video and click on the link. It will take you to the document file I have attached in it. You should download this document. It has all the master prompt that we are going to use to make our videos. After downloading, just open this document. You will see Master Anatomy Character Prompt. In the starting, just copy this prompt and navigate to flow inside ElevenLabs. Sign up with any of your Google ID, then click on New Project, select Image Generation, Nano Banana Pro Model, set frequency to 4 times, and then wait. If you want, you can also choose any other image generator. But I will prefer Nano Banana Pro because it's one of the best image generation out there in the market. After a while, it will give you multiple skeleton characters from which you can choose any one of your liking. Whichever character you like, just click the download button and download that file. And that's it. Your character is done. Now, let's move back to the document that I have provided. Slowly scroll down the document and you will see the master title prompt that I have provided. Just copy this prompt and open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Now paste your prompt into the ChatGPT text box and click Enter. Now let ChatGPT process your prompt. After analyzing your prompt, ChatGPT will provide you with the multiple titles, which can you choose to make your own video. I'm just going to choose any one random title from all the options that I like the most. Let me copy our title. Now let's move back to our document. Scroll down the document a little bit more, and you will see the master script prompt. Just add your video title at the last of master script prompt. Add the given space inside the bracket, and then copy full master script prompt from the document and go back to ChatGPT. Paste your master script prompt inside the ChatGPT and press Enter. ChatGPT will provide you brand new YouTube optimized script for your video. Now copy this script and search ElevenLabs. You can also use any other text-to-audio generator, but I will prefer ElevenLabs because it provides most human-like voices. And we also get 10,000 credits for free users. Now, after opening ElevenLabs, sign up with your ID and you will get your 10,000 free credits instantly. Select any voice that you like from the ElevenLabs audio library, which consists of thousands of human-like voices. You can choose any one of them which you like to make your channel identity. You can also choose the same voice that I am using, but I will prefer that you should choose a voice that will represent your channel identity. So I will not recommend you to copy the same voice I am using. You can just choose any one from its massive audio library. After selecting your voice, you can slightly increase the speed of your audio in the customization panel. Because we are making short-form content, slightly fast speed will not hurt our audio, and you don't need to interfere with other settings. Let them be in the default. After that, just press Generate Audio, and it will generate your audio within a second. ElevenLabs also provide you 3 free generation for each audio, which can be very helpful if you have any inconsistency in your first and second generation of your audio. Just click Download button after every generation, and later we can select best out of 3 for our video. After this all, more than 50% of our work has already been completed. Now, only video generation and editing part is remaining. To generate a video and image visual for our video, let's go back to our document. Here you will see Viral Cinematic Story Generation Master Prompt. Just add your video script at the last of Master Prompt Generator. Then copy full Master Prompt Generator from the document and go back to ChatGPT. Paste your master prompt inside the ChatGPT and press Enter. After that, ChatGPT will provide you image and video prompt for every scene in your script. Copy image prompt and open Google Flow. Create new project, select Nano Banana Pro Model in image generation, and paste your prompt. You can set frequency as you like between 2 to 4. Repeat the same process for every image prompt. After all the images for your video are generated, we have to convert them into the video. Here comes the most important part of our video: how to generate high-quality AI videos completely free. For this, I am going to share the best free high-quality AI video generator tool with you. Search arena.ai. This website will provide you 3 to 4 high-quality video generation for our videos. But that's not going to be enough for us, and there come our trick. which we're going to use to generate unlimited videos using this website. For using this trick, open private window of your browser. Search temporary mail. Open the first website you find. This website gives you temporary email, which you can use to sign up on any website without letting them track your history. But you should keep in mind, always open this temporary mail website in private window, so that you will get fresh new email every time. Otherwise, it will show you same email address every time you open this website, or maybe tell you to take their subscription to unlock new email address. Now copy email from this website and open arena.ai in another tab of your browser. Click on Login button at the top right corner of your window. After that, a pop-up box will appear, which will ask you to log in or create new account. You should paste your temporary email in the empty box and select Continue with email. After that, it will ask you to write your name. You can just write any random name or leave it empty and just select Create Account. It will start verifying process for your new account. For completing verifying process, you have to go back to your temporary mail website. Scroll down slightly and you will see that a verification mail has been arrived from arena.ai. Click on that message to continue. Scroll down the page and you will see Verify Your Email option. Click on it to verify, and it will redirect you to arena.ai website so that you can create password for your account. You should just enter any random password that you like because we are not going to use this ID again. After this, just click Finish button and you are ready to go. You can use the process multiple times to generate high-quality videos completely free. Now select Video Generation tool in Arena AI and paste your AI-generated image and the video prompt given by ChatGPT to animate it in the video. After this, click Enter and it will start generating your video. This process will take some time. So, in the meantime, you can create multiple private windows and apply the same process to use multiple arena.ai accounts at the same time and increase your video generation speed and capacity. Apply the same process for all the images you have generated and convert them into the video. Now that you have your animated clips and voiceover ready, it's time to put everything together and create a polished, studio-quality YouTube short. For this part, I'll be using Premiere Pro. You can also use any other editing software that you like. Open Premiere Pro and import all your video scenes along with the voiceover. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline first. This becomes your roadmap for the edit. Since shorts need to be fast-paced, play through the audio and remove any unnecessary gaps or long pauses. Next, set your project to the correct format by changing the aspect ratio to 9:16. After that, add your video clips in sequence, starting from the first scene, and trim each clip so it lines up perfectly with the narration. At this stage, generate captions. Subtitles are extremely important because many people watch shorts with the sound off. Background music is optional for this format, but if you decide to add it, keep it subtle so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Once everything looks clean and sounds right, export the video in your preferred resolution and it's ready to post. This niche is growing fast, which makes now the perfect time to jump in. And as you've seen, the entire process can be done quickly because of the tools we used. If you want more such informative content, then subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. And if you find our video useful, don't forget to give us a like. See you in the next video.